Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now we have to scroll down again and tap on Backup and Reset. And as you can see here, we've got whole Google Backup section, and at the very first position we've got Backup My Data. And in order to add a backup account, we have to activate this option. So simply tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, from now on this option is active. So also the backup account option is right now active, so we can freely tap on it in order to add a backup account. And make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Let's tap on next. And here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them. Just tap on it and here you receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here your device is telling you that the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So if you're ready, just tap on accept. And here again we've got the same info, that the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, including Wi-Fi passwords and permissions, and text messages. So simply tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got our newly added backup account. So from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. What's more, under it we've got the automatic restore option, which is defaultly turned on. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want. Just tap on the switcher right here. And it means that after an app is reinstalled, the system will restore backed up settings and data. So actually that's all. This is how to backup and how to enable the Google Backup in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.